A special quiz competition on the theme From Science to the Global Action was organized by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of Manipur, in connection with the observance of the World Ozone Day 2025 at the auditorium of Manipur Science Center, Takyelpat, Imphal. Altogether, 73 students from various colleges and universities participated at the quiz competition. 16 teams were selected from 73 students through a screening test.
Ningombam Satrughan and Asem Kaubru.
Session 3.
Session 3.
Session 3.
Session 2.
Session 2. Namayrakpom Talisman.
Session number 2.
Session 1.
Session 1. Okay. Next, Laisram Rahul and Surtika Moirangthem, Liberal College.
4.
Session 4.
Session 1.
Session 1. Jeki Achom Tanika Konjengbom.
Session 1.
Session 1. Lonika Haisanam Pyroism Soli. Sohom Singh.
Session 4.
Session 4. Haubizam Dhanaraj Gulsum Albin.
Session 3.
Session 3. Huidrom Ilya and Yomnam Asani, Imphal College. Laisram Silki and Khangjarapam Eureka.
Session 1.
This is a special edition of the quiz competition. The World Ozone Day Quiz Competition 2025 for the college and university students, which is being organized by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of Manipur, at the auditorium of Manipur Science Center, Takyelpat, Imphal. This day, the 16th of September 2025, the World Ozone Day. Here we have the first round of the quiz competition, the so-called multiple choice type question round. In this case, the question will be followed by 4 alternatives in the form A, B, C, D, and you have to choose the most appropriate option out of 4. If you give the right answer, 10 points will be awarded. Wrong answer, no negative point, no point will be awarded, and no pass question. The question will be thrown to the audience with a special gift from the part of Manipur Science Center, Takyelpat, Imphal. This is the proceeding. So I'm just starting from Team A. Team A, please. Choose the number.
5.
Question number 5. I click question number 5. Which scientist won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for their work on ozone depletion?
All of the above.
Are you sure?
Yes.
All the above is the right answer with 10 points. Next question set for Team B. Team B, please choose the number.
2.
Question number 2. Which ultraviolet radiation is most effectively absorbed by the ozone layer? Your options are UVA, UVB, UVC, all equally.
UVC.
UVC. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
I don't think this is not the incorrect answer, but this is the correct answer. Give them a big round of applause with 10 points. 10 points to Team B. Next question set for Team C. Choose the number from the first row.
Question number 4.
Question number 1. World Ozone Day is celebrated on September 16 to commemorate which of the following? The discovery of the ozone layer, the signing of the Montreal Protocol, the day the ozone hole was discovered, the invention of the CFCs.
Option number B, the signing of the Montreal Protocol.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Option number B, the signing of the Montreal Protocol is the right answer with 10 points. 10 points to Team C. Question set for Team D.
3.
Question number 3. Your question is, what is the name of the process where chlorine from CFCs breaks down ozone molecules? Your options are catalytic cycle, photosynthesis, polymerization, and electrolysis.
A. Catalytic cycle.
A. Catalytic cycle. Are you sure? Yes, catalytic cycle is the right answer with 10 points. Which amendment to the Montreal Protocol aimed to phase down potent greenhouse gases called ICFCs? Your options are London Amendment, Kigali Amendment, Copenhagen Amendment, Beijing Amendment.
B. Kigali Amendment.
B. Kigali
Amendment.
Amendment. Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, Kigali Amendment is the right answer with 10 points. Next question set for team C. Choose the number. Question number 8. Which gas is often used as a safer replacement for CFCs in refrigeration? Your options are methane, hydrofluorocarbons, sulfur dioxide, ammonia. Safer replacement for CFCs in refrigeration processes. Options methane.
Option number B, hydrofluorocarbon.
Option number B, hydrofluorocarbons. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Hydrofluorocarbon is the right answer with 10 points. Team C. Team B.
9.
Question number 9. Ozone at ground level is a primary component of what of the following? Fresh air, mineral water, smoke, rainwater. Ozone at ground level is a primary component of which of the following? Fresh air, mineral water, smoke, rainwater.
C. Small.
C, smoke. Are you sure?
Yes.
C, smoke is the right answer with 10 points. Next question set for A.
7.
Question number 7. In which decade was the Antarctic ozone hole first discovered? Your options are 1960s, 1970s, 1980s, 1990s.
1980s.
1980s is the right answer with 10 points. So at the end of this multiple choice type question round,
Here is the statement of the mark score. The team A, 20 marks. The team B, 20 marks. And the team C, the total score is 20 marks. And the team C responded to the question number 3 and the question number 6, 20 marks.
so this is a very keen competition among all the 4 teams, and all of them have opened their accounts by 20 points. So next is the so-called direct question round. A question will be set to a particular team. If you give the answer, correct answer, 10 points will be awarded. And wrong answer, no negative point and no point will be awarded to you. And question will be passed to the next team with a pass point of 5 and so on. Okay? If none of you can give the answer, question will be thrown to the audience once again. And if you give the answer, special gift will be offered by Madam Premita of Manipur Science Center. Sarcom has also arrived now. I'm just starting from A again. A, choose the number. Please choose the number A.
2.
Question number 2. Oh, Maya, pambah memali. Under which annexa or provisions under the Montreal Protocol, CFCs and halogens are being controlled? A,
Pass.
pass, but pass is not the answer. You have to say at least one answer. So pass to B. Pass to B.
I think it is UNEF.
Pardon?
UNEF.
Pass to C.
Montreal Protocol की article number 2 na.
Article number 2.
हाँ.
Anyway, the question has been thrown to the audience with a special gift from the part of Manipur Science Center. You please come up, hold the mic and say.
The answer is Annexure A.
Annexure A. Annexure A is the right answer with a special gift. Special gift from BBC, Sarcom. Thank you so much. What is your good name? What is your name, please?
My name is Takyelpat SB. I am from Manipur University, currently pursuing MSc in Zoology.
MSc Zoology student from Manipur University. Thank you so much and wishing all the best. Question set for Team B. Team B, please choose the number.
4.
Question number 4. In which year did the concentration of halon 1211 has been decreased significantly, reaching an abundance that was 22% below that measured in 1999 is your question.
2022.
2022. I just passed the question to Team C.
2009.
2009. Passes to D.
2021.
Passes to A.
2008.
2008.
8.
Question goes to the audience. Anyway, this is student. No people ask the chance on PC. What is your name, please? Okay, okay.
My name is Gates Gulsum. I'm from GR Institute of Medical Sciences. The answer is 2005.
2005 is the right answer. Give her a big round of applause. JR Institute student. JR Institute ki student na pakum pibiri, and a special gift is offered by Sarcom from Manipur Science Center. Photom kapiyo. Record kita makta photom kapiyo. Okay, anyway, thank you so much. Classes of compounds known as hydrofluorocarbons and hydrofluoroolefins constitute the replacement for many applications of HCFCs. What is the chemical formula for hydrofluoroolefins?
HFO.
Are you sure? HFO is the right answer with 10 points. So Team D 10 points. Anyway, so the remaining question number 5 is click for the audience. Kita magta question number 5 later. Which gas are controlled under Annex E of the Montreal Protocol? This is a special gift question for the audience. Please come, please come. Ming Haibiu, institution ki Ming so Haibiu.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Lonika Haisnam, pursuing my degree at Oriental College. Sir, and the answer is methyl bromide.
Methyl bromide is the right answer. Give her a big round of applause with a special gift from Sarcom of Manipur Science Center, from the part of Department of Science and Technology, Government of Manipur. Thank you so much and wishing all the best. Anyway, question set for Team D in the reverse order from the
8.
question number 8. What is the full form of IPCC, which is associated with the effort on preservation of ozone layer and climate change? D. IPCC is associated with the effort on the preservation of ozone layer and climate change. Team D. Anyway, question goes to Team C.
International Preservation on Climate Change.
Team B. Team A.
Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change.
Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change is the right answer with a pass point of 5. 5 points to Team A. Team A 5 points. Question set for Team C.
Question number 9.
Question number 9. In which year the bromine content of other halogens, mainly halon 1202 and 2402, was 25% below the amount present in 1999?
2016.
2016. I just passed the question to Team B. In which year the bromine content of other halogens, mainly halon 1202 and halon 2402, was 25% below the amount present in 1999 as the base year? A.
2005.
2005. D. Any student from the audience? Anyway, the question is passed to the quiz master and I'm clicking the answer. This is 2020. Please give me a big round of applause. Question set for Team B. Choose the number.
10.
Question number 10. Which country hosted the Montreal Protocol signing?
Canada.
Canada. Are you sure?
Yes.
Canada is the right answer with 10 points. Anyway, question goes to A. Choose the number.
7.
Question number 7. What type of international treaty is the Montreal Protocol? Montreal Protocol is a treaty. The question is, what type of treaty, international treaty, is Montreal Protocol? By law, some questions may be easy, some questions may be very difficult, but it depends on your luck. Luck ta aina sina thokpani ko natrati quiz master sina amadana aruba hange amadana raiba hange hai garane haidana ai yam samna without any bias amata yaudana decide to pami adugini ko. Anyway, question goes to team D.
Successful international treaty.
Team C.
Environmental treaty.
Team B.
오자이 머니푸리 하야.
Ayay Manipuri sway Hindi sway.
ahoy CFC gas 시즌아웃에 팅바.
Ha.
CFC gas.
Adu nate. Adu I just give. What is your answer? What was your answer?
Environmental treaty. Sir.
Environmental treaty. So this is legally binding environmental treaty is the right answer with pass point of 5 to Team Sida mark mangama PBU. Legally binding habisi moina high the aduna noina hierarchy no the big to ne ada moigiduna ado marks phangane ko. Anyway, I just click the remaining question for the audience. Question number 9. In which target year, this is the target year, will India successfully phase out HCFCs? Bharat na karamba sahida la an upadu no la jacket ilpadu la calendar nusasa calendar nekam oibadu la lakbiro. In which year Bharat na karamba sahida HCFCC phase out tawni?
2030.
2030. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Give him a big round of applause. I hope kuba kubiu. Akoi calendar jacket it pada give him for ma pizzeria. Ming haibiu.
My name is Yunam Adit Singh and I'm representing Manipur Technical University.
MTU game higher. Thank you so much. Wishing all the best in this. Okay, thank you. Anyway, at the end of this round, what's the position of the marks, sir?
The team A could achieve 5 more bonus points and total score is 25 points. Team B, 10 more points could be achieved and the total point is 30 points. And Team C secured another 5 points in the second round and the total score is 25 points. And the Team D could secure another 10 points in the second round and the total score is 30 points. Thank you everyone.
We begin to see how important our lives are. And if we want our earth to continue to support us, if we want our earth to be a place where the generation for you and for the next generation and for the next generation to come, you want to live a good earth, you want to live an environment which is livable for each one, you have to take the action today. I am so happy to know that so many of you know a lot of things about ozone. You know a lot of things. And I'm sure even our quiz master must be very happy with the students' performance, right? And I want to thank our quiz master for having done a wonderful job. And he must have taken lots and lots of hours to arrange and also to manage so many questions that he has placed before you all. And I'm sure you also have benefited from them. The thing is, when we are on this earth, you are the one who will build the society. You are the one who will be responsible for a better, cleaner earth to stay and to survive in. And therefore, today I want to leave with you this challenge, whether you would like our earth to be a place where we all can live safe, healthy, growing, flourishing, or where you see an environment around you which is bleak. So dear students, and each one of us who are here, let us take the responsibility to ensure that we make our earth a good earth where all of us will live together safe and healthy. I am sure none of us would like to live a life with pneumonia, with breathing problem, but this is increasing, right? And these are all effects of our ozone depletion. And therefore, one just example, there are so many other side effects that can come from this, and therefore, I would like all of us to be responsible and take this earth as a delicate planet where it needs you to nurture, it needs you to grow. Right? Yeah, thank you. And I am sure each one of us, as we go back from this program, you will all keep in mind that I need to do something about making this earth a place where you and I can live and where the generation after me can also live, right? Thank you.